This 2023 Cruiser RV South Fork 3710 FLMB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Cruiser RV is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a MINK OAK interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, loft, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.